What is up, everybody? Key here. Today I'm going to be showing you a cool little trick on how to duck your delays and reverbs or any other special effects that you have on your vocal tracks. As you can see here, I have a vocal track that has a lot of reverb and a lot of delay. So if you look closely, you have the lead vox right here, and that's actually going into or routing to this lead bus. And this lead bus is going into this reverb, delay, reverb into. Okay, so I don't want to confuse you. If you don't know what routing means or setting up a bus, I suggest you watch this video up here. In that video, I show you how to set up your routing and bus effects. To make this a little bit easier, I'll close this up here so we can just focus on this lead vox going into this lead bus. So what I'll do is actually, I'll just change the color. I'll make it red, so it's a little bit easier to know exactly what's going on. I'll make this the same color red. There we go. So now you know, like, hey, it's routed to this lead bus, and this lead bus is going into all these reverb and delays. So let's play it.
I know what I've been and I tried to forget it. I'm told I'm forgiven. I know I gotta love more. I keep saying what for. Got a past full of closed doors. I really gotta.
So it sounds really good, but what's kind of a bothersome to me is the effects are kind of muddying up the lead vox. Let's listen to it again, and you can kind of like focus on the reverb and delays that I have here.
I know what I've been and I tried to forget it. I'm told I'm forgiven. I know I gotta love more. I keep saying what for. Got a past full of closed doors.
These plugins that I have here don't have a ducking option. And what ducking means is it's basically when you can hear the lead vox, the volume of the effects duck under the lead vox. It's quiet when the lead vox is loud. And when there's a gap where the lead vox is very quiet, the effects are then turned up. Does that make sense? I'll show you exactly what I mean here. So if we focus on the lead vox, and let's focus on the delay part first. And so what I'll do is I'll actually just disable these track routings, and I'll only keep the delay on for right now. You can see here, I have a Manny Marroquin delay on there. And then at the very bottom, I'm going to add a fruity limiter. So the first thing that we're gonna do is switch over to the comp side. I'm actually going to right click the side chain, and we're going to side chain it to the lead bus. So what this is doing, the delay is listening to the lead bus, and it's only going to be heard when the lead bus signal is non-existent or very quiet. The next thing that I'll do is I'm going to drop the threshold, and then we're going to adjust the ratio. So again, if we look at our lead bus, it's routing to this track right here, this delay track, and the wet knob is set to 27%. That's where I like to hear the delay in action. Let's listen to what it sounds like now.
I know what I've been and I tried to forget it. I'm told I'm forgiven. I know I gotta love more. I keep saying what for.
So right there you can hear there is no delay at all until it becomes quiet. So now you know that it's working, the side chain is working. Since you know that, you just want to adjust the threshold and the ratio to your liking. But let's just play it so we can hear where we want to set the levels at.
I know what I've been and I tried to forget it. I'm told I'm forgiven. I know I gotta love more. I keep saying what for. Got a past full of closed doors. I really gotta. I know what I've been and I tried to forget it. I'm told I'm forgiven. I know I gotta love more. I keep saying what for. Got a past full of closed doors.
The threshold adjusts the loudness, and the ratio adjusts the speed of the effects. So if I turn this up all the way,
I know what I've been and I tried to forget it. I'm told I'm forgiven.
As soon as it gets quiet, the delay just takes place right away. If we adjust this ratio to a place where it just kind of flows naturally, I think that's where I would want to set it. So let's listen to it.
I know what I've been and I tried to forget it. I'm told I'm forgiven. I know I gotta love more. I keep saying what for. Got a past full of closed doors. I really gotta.
That sounds really good. Okay, let's listen to the whole mix.
I know what I've been and I tried to forget it. I'm told I'm forgiven. I know I gotta love more. I keep saying what for.
Okay, I can't even hear it now, so I gotta turn up the threshold, maybe adjust the ratio a little bit.
I know what I've been and I tried to forget it. I'm told I'm forgiven. I know I gotta love more. I keep saying what for? Got a past full of closed doors.
Okay, a little too loud.
Know what I've been in, I tried to forget it, I'm told I'm forgiven. I know I gotta love more. I keep saying what for? Got a past full of closed doors.
Sweet, that sounds really good. What I can do now is just copy this fruity limiter and paste it on this reverb, and this delay. How I would copy this and paste it, I would just select this drop down arrow, go to save preset as, and just drag it into my reverb. And again, make sure it's at the bottom here. And then I would make sure my lead bus is routed to my reverb. And let's hear what it sounds like.
I know what I've been in, I tried to forget it, I'm told I'm forgiven. I know I gotta love more. I keep saying what for? Got a past full of closed doors. I really gotta.
That sounds so cool.
I know what I've been in, I tried to forget it, I'm told I'm forgiven. I know I gotta love more. I keep saying what for?
Well, anyway, guys, that was it for this video. Leave a comment below if you found this helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a blessed day. Peace.